Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you guys already know I do what's in my bag videos a lot, but like I am being so serious this time when I say this is like my favorite bag that I have right now. And I know I might have said that about like every other bag I've ever done, but this one seriously is my favorite. Okay, you've seen it before. I think I showed it in a couple of videos already, but this is her. This is my, what is it called? My Juicy Couture tied with a bow mini tote. That's what it's called. So this is the bag I have been using for like a week or so. And I'm finally gonna show you what's in it because like this bag actually fits so much. It's crazy. It reminds me of the Coach mini city tote, especially in like the powder pink color. That's why I really like this, but it is so cute. So today I'm going to show you what I keep inside her. But before we begin, please be sure to like and subscribe if you like content like this, and check out my Pinterest, my TikTok, and my Instagram, which will be on the screen and linked in the pinned comment section. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, I turned the camera, don't mind this. I turned the camera. It can't go any lower than this, but you see the bag. It's really pretty. Okay, first and foremost, the charms on the outside. So this cherry charm I got from 𝙤𝙀, I think. Yeah, I got this from 𝙤𝙀. And then this little charm on the side with the heart and like the pearl bow, I actually got this from TJ Maxx, I think. This may or may not be from like Piper K. You know, if you go to TJ Maxx a lot, you know Piper K has like a lot of bag charms. Like that's what she does, Miss Piper. So yeah, this is from TJ Maxx. This is really cute. Then of course I have my pocket bag holder from Bath and Body Works, and the scent inside is strawberry pound cake. Then on the other side, this is the little pouch there. This is the little pouch that it already comes with. You can't detach this. I mean, I'm sure you could probably cut it off if you want, but yeah. And inside of here, I don't have anything besides these like Claritin allergy medication. So yeah, but you know, I don't have any gum right now, but if I did, I would probably put gum in here. But you could also put like change or like cash, you know. Now, this strap, this thicker strap, this is not the strap that this bag comes with. This strap I got with my Juicy Couture barrel bag. So I detached it from that and I put it on here. This came with its own like thinner straps, but I just threw those away so that I could use this instead because this is, you know, better quality. Then the zipper is just like a normal like faux leather zipper pull. And then the actual bow part on this has a little juicy heart. That is cute. And then it is plain in the back, you know, with that like quilted design, and then the bottom. You do have to be careful with this bag though, because, you know, with this like texture that it is, I feel like it would stain easily. Another part of this bag that I like is the fact that the handles stand up. That is so nice. So like I could put like a little clip on here if I wanted to as well. But as you can see, get closer, there is like this part here, it zips closed, so that is really nice. And just looking overhead, this is a quick overview of the bag. Let's start pulling everything out. So we're gonna start with the pockets on the side. So first I have this makeup sponge. I have oily skin, so like my forehead, across my nose, my chin, it gets so oily, it's like disgusting. So I have this and I can like tap my face, especially if I've been like out walking around. So yeah, that goes there. And y'all, please don't judge me. On this other side, I don't have anything except empty Twix wrappers, okay? Don't even judge me. That shouldn't even be in there. But the other side is empty, okay? Okay, now for the rest. But you know, like these pockets are really deep. Wow. Oh, one of these are in here too, I guess. All right, so you guys already know my wallet. This is the wallet I use with basically every single bag. I don't even remember where I got this wallet at this point. I think it was probably from Burlington, maybe Ross, but either Burlington or Ross. It has the little J for Juicy, and then it has the Juicy here, and then I attached it to my Victoria's Secret wristlet, along with my Megumi Funko Pop keychain, and this little container here that I keep painkillers in, so like Advil, ibuprofen, whatever. And then everyone knows what is inside a wallet. You have this compartment here where I keep cash, this here where I keep my ID, and then this here where you could put like coins, I guess. And then it says go couture yourself. Next, I always take this with me. Y'all already know. This is my sanitary pouch, or the pouch I keep like all my feminine products in here. So I have panty liners, one like thicker pad, and then a disposable wipe, and breath mist from Crest. And I also got this from Shein, but you can also find pouches like this on Amazon. And then this gummy bear like thing I put on the zipper, this is also from Shein. Next, just in the bag, I have to keep a lotion. So this is my Bath & Body Works Strawberry Snowflakes lotion. I love this scent so much. It is so, it's basically strawberry pound cake, but like not as strong. So like if strawberry pound cake, if you like it, but it kind of might make you like nauseous or something, like with how gourmand it is, like in your face, you could try this one, but I think it's only around like during Christmas time. I really like this one. I have this in the spray too, but I'm about to run out of the spray. I'm talking so fast, I feel like, wow. Okay, the last thing I keep in here is actually what's like, this is like the biggest thing, and I keep the most in here. This itself is a Juicy Couture bag. I found this at a Ross, and I just use it as a pouch, you know, for my other bags, because I already have a little bag. You know what I mean? Like I already have the Coach Nolita, so it's like I really don't need this to just wear. But I decided to use it, you know, to store things in my other bags. So this smiley face I have on the zipper pull. I think my mom got this from TikTok shop. And then this chain here is just the actual strap. I just put it on this side. So inside the bag, this is a little perfume container. Inside I have a little bit, this is like a little bit of pink sugar mixed with marshmallow blush from Paris Corner, I think. Lethal combination, wow. Then I always take this. This is my CoverGirl Yummy Gloss. I really like the consistency of this, and then I really like the applicator. I like it a lot. I also got this Tide like stick. Okay, it takes effort to open. I'm not opening this right now, but like you get it. You take this off, and then there's like a little thing, and if you get a stain like on your shirt or something, you could just do like that, and then it'll be gone. And I needed this. I needed this because one time I was wearing a light colored shirt, right? Just a light pink shirt like I always do. And I had a slushie. And some of the, like, it was like a strawberry slushie or something, and it spilled on the shirt. And it, like, I washed the shirt, but the stain was still there. And so I had to get rid of the shirt. And that really sucks because I really like that shirt. I like how it fit. It was from like Ross, you know, so it wasn't like that expensive. But I was upset. And so I got this to hopefully prevent stuff like that from happening. I think I got this at Target. Yeah. I have another one of these sponges. I just threw this in here as well. My strawberry snowflake body spray, but you can see it's like all the way to the bottom now. My mini deodorant, because I live in South Florida and it's normally hot here. We just had a cold front, so it's not, you know, as hot right now, but every other month. It's really hot. So I have this deodorant. And then finally, I have one more lip gloss. This is my vanilla lip gloss from Bath & Body Works. This smells like vanilla, so I really like it. And that is everything. Just a quick what's in my bag, not that big of a... Oh, you can watch me put everything back, why not? But yeah, I really like this bag. But I will tell you this, the next bag I'm going to use and pack will be my, I think, what do they call it? I will put a picture of it because I've shown it already in a vlog. I think that bag is just like another satchel type of bag, but I will be using that bag next because when I posted my TikTok video where I got that bag, everybody was talking about that bag, and it is crazy to me because that bag, I wasn't actually going to TJ Maxx in search of that bag. I was going specifically for this bag, and it just so happened that that bag was there too. And so I was like, oh, I guess I'll get this one as well. But I actually was planning to leave that there, and I was gonna get the brown and pink like Scotty Dog shoulder bag. It was like I was really debating on which one I should get, but you'll definitely be seeing that bag next. That's the one I'm going to use after this one. So I'll probably give this one maybe a few more days, and then I will switch my bag. I don't know if I will record packing it. I might. And after I pack it, I will do another sit down what's in my bag video like this. So that is it for today's video. It was a short one, but I just really like this bag, and I had to show you guys. Like, do you see though, like how much fits in this bag? Seriously, I don't know. I don't really like massive tote bags, but this is like the perfect size bag for me, I think. I'd say this is like, I know they say it's a mini tote, but I think this is slightly bigger than the Coach mini city tote. So I'd say this is more like a medium sized bag, but yeah, I really like this bag. So I will link the vlog where I got this bag in the description if you would like to see what other bags were in the store that day. And I will also link the YouTube short that I did where I packed this bag on camera. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it all the way to the end. And once again, be sure to like and subscribe and check out my other social media platforms, which once again are linked in the description. I won't hold you guys any longer, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!